So what I want to do is we're going to skip the graphing for today. We're just going to multiply these out and see what we get. So what you're going to do, this is actually like a form of FOIL. I'm going to say 3a minus 8. And then I'm going to take this term and this term and write them over here. I'm going to say 6a plus 5. So remember, we're multiplying the row by the column. So what is 3 times 6? 18. What is a times a?
A squared.
A squared. Good. So now, what is negative 8 times 6?
46.
48.
Which is it?
Oh, it's 48.
It's negative 48. Okay, it's negative 48. Now what do we do with this a? We're just going to tack it on, right? All right, so now let's do the next one. Remember, we're multiplying the row by the column. What is 3 times positive 5? Positive 15, and then we tack on the a. Lastly, we're going to say negative 8 times positive 5, which is negative 40. Now, one thing that I've kind of glossed over is that in most cases, this number and this number are like terms. It's just rigged up that way. So we have to combine like terms. So when I say product, and this is how I want you to do your work for your assignment that I'm going to give you when we're done with our notes, we got to write all this stuff out. So I'm going to say 18a squared minus 48a plus 15a minus 40. Now when I say combine like terms, I need to know, let me circle the like terms. These are going to be the like terms that I need to combine because they both have a to the first power. So then you need to, and maybe if you guys want to grab a fancy calculator, you can, but I'll just do it on the screen here. If you're not good with your positive and negative numbers, just plug it in here. So we had 15, well, let's just do it the way it is in the thing. So we're going to do negative 48 plus 15. So I'm going to go into my fancy calculator and I'm going to say negative 48 plus 15. Boom, negative 33. Okay, and don't forget the a, but that becomes negative 33a. So we're just going to write down 18a squared negative 33a minus 40. Now what does that mean? That means that 18a squared minus, and I want you to write this down in your notes, minus 40 is equal to, in parentheses, all this stuff, 3a minus 8 times the quantity 6a plus 5. Also, in your notes, write down, these are the factors. And this right here is actually the simplified product. Okay? But this is a quadratic.